Hello guys, welcome to our PS Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to discussing about very basic topics. They are print function and comments. First I want to explain about print function. Print function is a inbuilt function in Python which is used to display the output. If we want to display something that we have to write in print function, that must be quoted in single quote or double quote. For example, if I want to display hello world, for that I am using print statement. I am writing hello world in double quotes. Hello. If I run this one, I will get hello world as a output. If I write same hello world in single quotes, if I run that one, I will get same output as before. We can write whatever we want to display in single quote or double quotes. We can't write without quotes. Okay, if I write without quote, I will get some error if I run that one. See, it is saying invalid sentence. So we must and should use single quotes or double quotes in print statement. Similarly, for displaying multiple lines in one print function, we should use triple single quotes or triple double quotes. For example, I want to print weekdays like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, one by one. That we can write as print. We can write using triple single quotes or triple double quotes. I am using here triple double quotes. I want to write Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. If I execute this one, it will show Sunday, Monday, Tuesday one by one. This we can write in triple single quote also. It will show same output. If I run this one, I will get same output. If you want to display multiple lines in one print statement, we should use triple quotes, triple single quotes or triple double quotes. Okay. Similarly, I want to display my output in quotation. Okay. That time I can do like print single quote. I want to show some hi, good morning. I want to display the output which is quoted by double quotes. That time we can use like this. If I run this one, I will get hi, good morning message with double quote. Okay. This is all for print statement. Coming to the comments. Comments. Why we are using comments? Comments are using for information purpose. This is used for understanding purpose. If you want to understand something, that time we will use comments. Okay. These comments are not going to executed by compiler or interpreter. Basically, comments are classified into two types. One is single line comment, another one is multi-line comment. These comments are all for user purpose only, for user understanding purpose. this is not going to execute. Okay, I want to write one single line comment. Single line comment denoted as hash symbol. Any line comment is starting with single hash symbol means that is single line comment. See, for example, I want to add two number 2 plus 3. This is comment. This is user understanding purpose. Okay, addition. I am adding 2 and 3 here. Okay, if I run, I will get output. I will not get this line because this is not going to compile by compiler, execute by compiler or interpreter. Okay. Next one is multi-line comment. Multi-line comments which is written in single triple quotes or double triple quotes, that is the multi-line comment. Okay. If I am writing double triple quotes. Okay. Addition. I want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay. I want to addition 2 plus 3. 3 minus 2 and multiply 2 into 3. If I run this one, see, this is not going to execute. This is for user information purpose. Okay. By seeing this, user can understand what we are going to do in this one. Okay, this is multi-line comment, which is mostly used for multiple comments. Okay. That's it for today's video guys.